Thank you.
Wow.
Wow, very special, yeah?
Yeah.
Get ready with me, candlelight dinner. 2-in-1 Perfect Precaution Powder ni sangat-sangat function, okay? Dalam satu, foundation and powder. So, you tak payah nak letak banyak-banyak barang. Tak payah nak buat banyak-banyak barang, okay? Foundation. Okay, lepas tu ada sponge satu lagi. Sebagai powder. Tak payah nak bawa banyak-banyak barang. Dah siap.
Yummy! Yummy! Full lamb chop. Lamb cutlet, sorry.
Lamb cutlet. I'll do with the mashed potato.
Okay.
Just smell it.
Itu ya. Wow. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that's very good, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Wow.
Wow, very special, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, Ahmed. Good night.
Now I eating first, okay? And Jurassic Park.
Lamb Jurassic. Surprise?
There you go.
Oh!
Flower for you, darling.
Thank you so much. You cook me dinner and give me flowers.
Of course.
I love you.
Treat your lady right.
Oh wait, let me just, sebelum kita ambil gambar, let me just touch up first. This the new one tau Bu. Dia bukan yang biasa I selalu pakai.
It's a new G2G.
It's, yeah, 2-in-1. Got powder, lepas tu ada ni.
Oh,
Very nice. Foundation
Nice,
and
huh?
powder together.
2 in 1.
Yeah.
Senang. Mm. So good.
Your lamb.
Oh, lamb is good.
Mm.
Lamb is good.
Your lamb is so good.
Lamb is good. Mm.
This is Michelin star.
Mashed potato is good.
Thank you, baby. Your lamb is so good.
I wish they can try.
Mm.
So good.
You're the best at doing lamb.
Yeah, that's that meat.
Hari tu I tak
That
dapat
fat's very
try.
good.
Hari tu kan I tak
Masa
dapat
tidak awal.
Night is our night. Let's have another baby.
Then go basuh pinggan.
Oh, thank you so much baby basuh kan.